Law acknowledges the need not just to regulate, but also to develop the capital market. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week we talked about the fact behind the Diamond Bank rights issue. Today we want to talk about the proposed SEC rules relating to complaints management. The Securities and Exchange Commission in July 2014 proposed certain rules in the Nigerian capital market in relation to complaints management, as it shall entertain complaints arising out of issues that are covered under the Investments and Securities Act 2007. The rules and regulations made pursuant to the ISA, the rules and regulations of Securities and Exchange Commission, and guidelines of recognized trade associations. As stated in the proposed rules, the Securities and Exchange Commission, self-regulatory organizations (SROs), recognized capital market trade groups and capital market operators, as well as listed public companies, shall establish complaint management policy for the handling of complaints made against operators by clients, complaints between operators, complaints against regulators and SROs, complaints against operators by SROs and regulators, and trade manipulations, accounting fraud, Ponzi schemes, and such other complaints as may be determined by the SEC from time to time, while other matters such as complaints that are incomplete or not specific, allegations without supporting documents, offering suggestion or seeking guidance or explanation, seeking explanation for non-trading of shares or illiquidity of shares, not satisfied with the trading price of the shares of the companies, non-listing of shares of private offers of securities by private companies, dispute arising out of private agreement with companies or intermediaries, and any other matters as may be determined by the SEC from time to time are not considered as complaints for deliberations. The Rules Committee of the Securities and Exchange Commission currently awaits inputs and comments to the proposed rule. For further enquiries, opinions, observations, and feedbacks, kindly contact us via our official email sss@prosheng.com. The following agents are upcoming in the market: Corn Oil PSC on the 26th of September 2014, Northern Nigeria Flour Mills PSC on the 9th of September 2014, Royal Exchange PSC on the 24th of September 2014, PCL PSC on the 9th of October 2014, and Honeywell Flour Mills PSC on the 16th of September 2014. On corporate actions, the following company has declared dividend: Corn Oil PSC 400 kobo with closure date set for 26 August 2014. Northern Nigeria PSC declared 40 kobo with closure date set for 18 August 2014. Curtis PSC declared 12 kobo. Royal Exchange PSC declared 5 kobo with closure date set for 15 September 2014. PCL PSC declared 61 kobo with closure date set for 22nd September 2014. And Honeywell and Flour Mills PSC declared 17 kobo with closure date set for 8 September 2014. On announcement in the market, Dangote appoints Fidelis Madavo as a director. Dangote Cement PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange of the appointment of Mr. Fidelis Madavo as a member of the board of directors of the company, effective July 30, 2014. His appointment will be presented to the shareholders of the company for ratification in the next annual general meetings. CWG partners SES to provide free-to-air cable TV platform. Computer Wires Group has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that SES, NYSE, Euronet Paris, and Luxembourg Stock Exchange, in collaboration with service provider Computer Wires Group, we announced the launch of a new digital TV platform for West Africa on SES Astra 2F satellite at 28.2 degrees east. Rhodes appoints Ramakrishnan as a non-executive director. Rhodes Nigeria PSC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that the board of directors of the company at its board meeting on July 23, 2014 accepted the resignation of Mr. Kola Babalola and also resolved that Mr. K. Ramakrishnan be appointed a non-executive director of the company effective July 23, 2014. On outcome of board meetings, Corn Oil Board of Directors resolution to recommend 400 kobo dividend per share. At the meeting of the Board of Directors of Corn Oil PSC that was held on Monday, 4th August 2014, the following resolutions were passed. 1. Approval of the audited account for the year ended 31st December 2014 and to lay the audited account before the members of the company at the 44th Annual General Meetings. 2. Appointment of Mr. Akin Fabunmi and Mr. Adeyinka Adebiyi to sign the audited account for the year ended 31st December 2013. 3. To recommend to the 44th Annual General Meetings the payment of a dividend of 400 kobo per share. 4. To recommend the Annual General Meeting to fix the remuneration of the external auditors of the company. 5. Approval to convene the 44th Annual General Meeting of the company on Friday, 26 September 2014 in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, and the company secretary is authorized to issue the notice of the AGM to shareholders of the company. And 6. Approval of the report of directors for the year ended 31st December 2013 to be signed by the company secretary. On people and changes in board, Conwell appoints Charles Uwaichi as an executive director. Please be informed that at the board of directors meeting of Conwell PLC held on Monday, 4th August 2014, Mr. Charles Uwaichi was appointed as an executive director of the company. The appointment is with immediate effect. On product launch, CSS Stockbrokers Limited launches InterSwitch payment system. CSS Stockbroker is pleased to inform both its existing and prospective clients that its CSLS portal has been enabled for InterSwitch payment, as clients can now transfer funds instantly to their stockbroking account directly using their debit/credit MasterCard. NSE to support investors' rights to dividends, activate 5% sanction on defaulters. In line with one of the core strategic pillars for enhanced market performance and growth via sustaining a strong investor protection framework, the Nigerian Stock Exchange has stated that it shall not hesitate to administer and enforce a 5% sanction on any issuer that fails to pay dividend to its shareholders within the timeline specified in the resolution passed by the shareholders at the annual general meeting at which such dividends were cleared. It was made clear that the sanction is not a new proposal, but part of the already existing general undertaking in the exchange listing requirement, which was executed by every issuer before its securities were approved for listing on the exchange. That's all we have for you on this edition of the Nigerian Investor. I remain your regular anchor. Until I come your way again next week, bye for now.